Hi, Molly Tigger here. I wanted to share with you, I made a card today. Actually, I thought I was making it for a giveaway, but now I don't remember which one it was, and I could have had them all mixed up because there are quite a few out there. I thought someone wanted a pink and black birthday card, or a card made with pink and black. Well, anyway, I made this card, and then I couldn't find the video. I thought I normally save them, and I'm just not good at this yet. I still have a lot to learn. But anyway, this is the card I made, and of course I used the black up here and the black ribbon. And this stamp here I got from this. I unfortunately don't know. Let me see if I can make you see this better. I don't know the name because I took the paper off and I just put it away like this. So that's the set I got it off of. There's the happy birthday. No, I'm sorry. There's the happy birthday. And then you open the card and I put a special treat for someone sweet. And where I got that was from this Raisin Boat stamp set, which I love. I can't wait to make more cards with it. But it was this saying over here, a special treat for someone sweet. And I put that on the inside. And then I put the ribbon to keep the card closed. And where I got this idea, well, there are a couple of videos, but I took this one off of Chicken Scratch. And I'll put the links down below so that you can see. But if I'm not wrong, and there is a giveaway out there with a pink and black birthday card, if you would let me know, then I can link this video to that. But that was my intention, was to make it for that. But I don't know. Now I'm really confused. So anyway, but this is the card, and you just glue the popsicle stick on the back to it. And that's it. I thought it came out cute. I like it. I think it's a cute little idea. So, thank you, everybody. Good night.